Hi guys, Disney here. I'm gonna do a tip. Since I just made this, it's a tip on how to where should I put this out there? How to pick the lock with these fire alarm keys by Firelight. This is the original key. Watch how I pick this lock. So let me just put it on, set it down, get the view of the camera. Right there. Okay. First, put your key in. Wiggle. Wait, no, it's already there. It's supposed to be off. Okay. Just put your key in. I'm going to. Whoops. That was a fail. But you'll also do it like that. Now see how it's completely secured. Can't open it, but now swatch. You wiggle it, and then that won't work, do it the other way. It'll go in, but it won't work. Okay. You gotta stick that in right there. Right at the bottom of the tumblers are. Wiggle, a wiggle, a wiggle, wiggle. And then, spin girl. It was off at the beginning, but now it isn't on. Off at the beginning, and now it isn't on. Let's video it going back to off. And now, first, oh my arm, it's itchy. And yeah, still the same days I made this. And so then first, whoops, that was a fail. There, put it back to on. Then now, all I do is put that in. Wiggle, wiggle, oh wiggle. What the heck? It's like, wait, let's play that again. I just did it, but let me put it back to on. So now, what I do is just put the key in there. Now all I gotta do is just put the key in there, and then wiggle and wiggle and wiggle, 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 wiggle. There, it is now back at off. Now let's put it back to on. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. These are the Firelight keys. See? I'm not lying. Here's the Firelight sign. And here's the original key. There's no key, doesn't have anything on it, except it just says Y11 on it. This is the original fire key. It says 17003 on it. And it's real, so I'm not a faker. And all I gotta do, if you get in trouble for doing this without permission, I am not responsible for your stupid actions. What the heck? Just went it off again. This call station is getting creepy. Spin girl. And now, turn it back. Oops. Put it on backwards. Take it off. And the switch is right there. That will attach. Well, yeah. Bye.